Children, welcome to the next session of Maths Chapter 5 Addition with Carry. Children, in the previous two videos, we have learnt how to add 2-digit and 3-digit numbers with carry. Okay, now today we are going to do the remaining questions in your My Observation book. Okay, we will be doing the leftover questions of My Observation book. Take out your My Observation book. Let us start. Okay. Children, in your My Observation book, page number 63, question number 1 and question number 2 you all have done. Now we are doing starting from question number 3. Read the question. Complete the following table after adding 29 to each of the following numbers. आपको क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में? Few numbers are given you in the column in. Yes, these few numbers are given it to you. You have to add 29 to each number. Like 35, you will add 29. You will use this rough column, okay? You will not write answer directly. आप ये rough column में 35 में 29 add करके देखोगे, okay? Answer is 64. How? Add 9 and 5. You will get 14. Then 1 carry. 3 plus 2 is 5. And then 5 plus 1 gives you 6. So answer is 64. In the out column, you will write the answers after adding 29. Now next is 64. We will add 29 to 64. Okay? 9 plus 4 gives 13. 13 का आप 3 लिखोगे and 1 carry. Now 6 plus 2 is 8 and 8 plus 1 gives 9. So answer is 93. In this way you will solve the rest 3 in this rough column given it to you. I want, when you will be sending your books for checking, I want the solutions here in the rough column. Okay, nobody will write answer directly or will solve at any other place. These rough columns are given you, okay? Next question is, add the following 3 numbers and write the sums. We have to add the 3 numbers and we have to write the sum. Sum is the total. इसका जो total आता है ना, उसको sum बोलते हैं. See, I have done one in the rough work column. 17, 15, 40. They are the 2 digits number I have written. Now I have started from the ones place. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 0 gives 12. So 12 का मैम ने 2 यहाँ लिखा and 1 carry I have given. Now 1 plus 1 gives 2. 2 plus 4 gives 6 and 6 plus 1 7. So the sum is 72. I have written here. Now you will solve the B1. What you will do? You will write 26, 40, 13, addition sign, and you will add. And whatever the sum will be there, you will writing in this truck. In this way, you will be solving all these sums here in the rough column. Understood? Now turn the page. Question number 5. Match the following numbers with their sums. Okay? We have given here 2 numbers. इनको हम ऐड करने के बाद उनके आंसर से मैच करेंगे. तो पहले हमें इन्हें ऐड करके देखना है इन दी रफ कॉलम गिवन. सपोज आई हैव एडेड 324 and 190. ओके, सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दी वंस प्लेस, 4 plus 0 4, 9 plus 2 gives 11, 11 का मैम ने 1 लिखा एंड 1 आई हैव कैरीड टू हंड्रेड्स प्लेस. 3 plus 1 4 and plus 1 5. So 514 is here. So I will write A क्योंकि ये A का आंसर है. Okay. Now next B. 119. Okay, 119 plus 438. Put addition sign. ये सारे आप जो सॉल्व करोगे ना, यहाँ मुझे लिख के आपको दिखाने हैं. आप कहीं किसी रफ पेपर में या किसी और रफ कॉपी में नहीं लिखोगे. यू विल राइट इन द बुक इटसेल्फ. ओके. नाउ 9 plus 8 gives 17. 17 का 7 मैम ने यहाँ लिखा. 1 कैरी. नाउ 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 gives 5. No carry to the hundreds place. Now 4 plus 1 again gives 5. So 557 is the answer for addition of these two numbers. So we will write B here. In this way you will add all and you will match. Understood? Now come to question 6. Find the sums and solve the riddle by matching the letters with the numbers given below the blanks. Okay, now what you have to do, few sums are given, addition sums are given, so you have to solve them, you have to add them. Okay, answers you have to write. Then see here also I have written. Now what you have to do, one letter is written for the answer. Like for 783 it is written R. For 842 it is written H. Yes. For 836 it is written L. So what we have to do, we have to solve one riddle. The riddle is write the letters along with the following numbers and find the hidden name. For the numbers given, we have to write the letter. Okay, 783. See कौन से वाले सम का आंसर है 783? Which letter is here for 783? R. So we will write R for 783. Now for 673. See for 673 here we have A. So I will write A above 673. In this way you will search the letters for the following answers and the hidden name is Rahul. Okay. Now you don't have to do question number 7, cross it. Now come to question number 8. Add the numbers that have 4 in the hundreds place from the numbers written below. Okay, following numbers are given in a phone. You have to add only those numbers which have 4 at the hundreds place. See all the numbers I have written ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. So जिसकी 100 प्लेस पे 4 है, हमें वो तीनों नंबर्स ऐड करने हैं. This number is having 4 at the hundreds place and this number is having 4 at the hundreds place. Is this number having 4 at the 100 place? No. Then 430 is having 4 at the 100 place. So these 3 numbers we will add. So I have written 412, 447 and 430. Okay, ones, tens, hundred. These 3 numbers is having 4 at the hundreds place. Now start from the ones place. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 gives you 9. Then 9 plus 0, 9. Okay. Now 1 plus 4 gives 5, then 5 plus 3 gives 8. पहले आपको ऊपर वाले दो नंबर ऐड करने हैं. Like 2 plus 7 I have added 9, then 9 plus 0 is 9, then 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 3 is 8 babies. Okay, now 4 plus 4 gives 8, then 8 plus 4 gives 12. So you will write 2 at the under the hundredth place and 1 to the next place. Okay, understood? Now question 9 and question 10 you have to put a cross. We will not do question number 9 and question number 10, children. Question number 11, children. On birthday, Ravi got 2 parcels of 141 pencils and 121 sketch pens. What is the total number of things Ravi got? Okay, on birthday Ravi got 2 parcels. Okay, in one parcel there were 141 pencils and in another parcels there were 121 sketch pens. So the question is asking what is the total number of things Ravi got. So total it is asking, so we are adding. See, it is already written 141 plus 121. So you will start from the ones place. 1 plus 1, 2. Then 4 plus 2 gives 6. Then 1 plus 1 again gives 2. There is no carry in this question. Okay. So the total things Ravi is having is 262. Now question 12, there were 45 animals running a race in a jungle. 15 more animals joined the race after a while. How many animals were running the race together? Okay, in a jungle a race was going on and 45 animals were there. Okay, they were running in a race. Now after a while, थोड़े टाइम के बाद 15 more animals joined. Okay, so what is the total number of animals or how many animals were running the race together? Together is एक साथ. So we will do addition. Okay, addition we are doing. Now write the statements. Animals running in a race equals to 45. More animals joined, 15. Put addition sign. Now add. Start from the ones place. 5 plus 5 gives 10. 10. Write 0 at the ones place and give 1 carry to the tens place. Then add 4 plus 1. 5 and 5 plus 1 carry is 6. So 60 animals are running together. So you will write total animals 60. Okay. Now next, question 13. Sam decorated his Christmas tree with 159 golden balls and 229 silver balls. On Christmas, Sam decorated his Christmas tree with 159 golden balls and 229 silver balls. How many? Children, total is not written over here. You write total also, okay? How many total balls did he use to decorate the tree? We have to take out the total number of balls. So statement how you will write? Number of golden balls equals to 159. Number of silver balls equals to 229. Okay. Then total balls we will add. 9 plus 9 gives 18. 18 का 8 हम लिखेंगे ones place पे and 1 carry we will give to tens place. Then 5 plus 2 gives 7 and 7 plus 1 carry gives 8. And and at the hundreds place we have 1 and 2. So add 1 and 2, it gives 3. So total balls, number of total balls is 388. Okay. Question 14. You don't have to do right now. In the live session I will explain you. Okay. We don't have to do question number 15. Cross question number 15. Now MCQs. Choose the correct option, children. 55 plus 10 will be, solve everything in rough work. Okay, सब कुछ आपको रफ में solve करके देखना है. 55 plus 10 gives you 65. Okay, take 65. 300 plus 50 will be, you have to solve it and check what answer it is giving. Now 15 ones will be regrouped as, how we will regroup 15 ones? So see, I have made here 15 balls. Okay, how I will regroup it? I will make one group of 110. Okay, of 10 I have made one group and 5 loose balls I am having. So 15 ones can be regrouped as 110 and 5 ones. Okay, now 24 tens will be regrouped as, children, it is 24 tens. So 24 tens means 240. It is not 24 ones. Okay, 24 tens का मतलब होता है 240. हमने 24 के आगे एक और 0 लगा दिया, और आप ऐसे कह सकते हो कि you have multiplied it by 10. So it becomes 240. So 240, 200 plus 40 plus 0. So we have in 24 tens, we have 200s and 4 tens. Okay, so 200s and 4 tens is the correct option for 24 tens. Now last, 9 plus 6 can be written as, first of all add 9 plus 6, it gives 15. So 15 can be written as 110 and 5 ones. Okay, 15 can be written as 110 and 5 ones. See 15 is 110 and 5 ones, means a group of 10 makes 110 and 5 ones. So you will take 110s and 5 ones is the correct option. Okay children, all this work you have to do in your My Observations maths book. Bye children.